you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I have Bombay Cedar to open. So this just came today. I believe this is the November box. It's December 7th today, but it is not the last November box that I have been waiting on. But Bombay Cedar is so good, I don't even care if it comes late. So if you don't know what Bombay Cedar is, it is like a monthly lifestyle / aromatherapy / wellness subscription. It is so good. They offer two different subscription plans. There's the mini box and the premium box. I received the premium. Can I speak ever? I'm gonna leave all the details down below. I believe I have a 10% off promo code as well, so I'm gonna leave that, and I'm going to leave down below as well my giveaway with California Found that ends tomorrow, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. But yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. It's kind of heavy. I'm so excited. By the way, the box is always so cute. I love it. I'm always so excited when I see this at my doorstep. Yep, so this is November, I can tell by the cards. This is jam-packed. The card just fell out, so it says Bombay Cedar November, and the November theme is nurture. I'm so excited. This box is always seriously so good. It's one of my favorites. I did a collab a while back. It was like my top favorite boxes, and Bombay Cedar made it, so that's how much I like it. I get a lot of boxes. So it says, let your soul glow. It's so easy to get caught up in the monotonous cycle of work and sleep. We're often consumed with our technology and jobs. We forget to take a moment and tend to ourselves. Self-care is critical to your overall health. It can seem time-consuming, but we guarantee once you've started to nurture your well-being, you will never want to go back. Team Bombay Cedar. And then the next pages, it gives information on the items along with pricing. And it looks like for November, the premium box value is $161.48 and the mini box value is $86.48. So it's always a great value. So let's get started and see what the first item is. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm just grabbing the very first thing that caught my eye and one of the biggest items in here. This is a teapot and cup set. Look how cute. And it says tea for me. Oliver Owl tea for me set. So you get a teapot and cup set. The teapot's 16 ounces and the cup is 7 ounces. It's made out of 100% stoneware. So let's get this out and see what it looks like. So this comes in the premium box only, and this has a retail value of $24. I absolutely love this. I've been getting way more into tea, like every month, more and more so. So this is the teapot. So cute. And here is the cup in the top. I love that. Oh, so cool. So like how it's little like top right there, you can actually set it up that way. So this is the cutest thing ever. I can't wait to use this. I'm totally gonna use it tomorrow and take some pics. It's so cute. I love it. So first item, love it. Now let's move on to the second. What is this? So this is by Simpleosophy. This is a twist hair turban. I use these every time I shower. Awesome. So this is made of 100% microfiber. It's lightweight, absorbent, and quickly and gently dries hair. So after you get out of the shower, you put your hair on this, and it seriously cuts the drying time of your hair in half. I've never used this brand specifically, but it's really similar. The other one I use is made out of microfiber too, I believe. So it's always good to have a backup. I'm not sure if I'll keep this or throw this in a future giveaway because I generally do my laundry and just grab it right from the laundry. I don't know if I need a backup, but let's see how much this costs. So this is also an item that's only in the premium box and it costs $9. And I think these are seriously great. If you guys haven't tried them and you have like a lot of hair, or even if you don't, if you're just like in a hurry, this seriously cuts the drying time. It is seriously a life changer. Next up's a treat. I'm going out to dinner, so I'm trying not to eat until then, but this looks so good. I bet I'll have this when I get home. This is by BAE Ecology Chocolate Chip Crunchy Cookie Bites. These are vegan and gluten-free. They're made with coconut oil, pure ingredients, and have 0 grams trans fat. These look so delicious. I love cookies. Cookies are my favorite treat. This comes in every single box, and the retail value is $1.49. Next up, oh, we have some tea that we can use with our little new tea set. So this is by Canelli, Life Inspired, Nourish and Glow, loose leaf tea and chai rubus, if I'm saying that right. It says for healthy skin. Oh wow, tea that helps your skin. Yes, please. It says starter tea set, 1.1 ounces of chai rubus loose leaf tea, a bamboo spoon, and 6 drawstring cotton tea bags. So nice. So it gives you the tea bag so you have loose leaf tea and you can just put them in there and steep it like a regular tea bag. That is awesome. I'm gonna read what it says in the back. It says a blend for your skin. A caffeine-free organic herbal chai blend made with South African rooibos and fragrant chai spices. Rooibos is rich in alpha-hydroxy and zinc. Alpha-hydroxy not only reduces the sign of aging, but also revitalizes the skin. Zinc heals wounds, protects against UV rays, and has anti-inflammatory properties. The rooibos also contains polyphenols that help to fight free radicals, keeping your body healthy and ready to tackle the day. Tastes great, served hot or cold. Okay, so I just looked up the pronunciation. It's rooibos.
Rooibos. Rooibos.
Rooibos. Rooibos. Okay, I was saying it wrong. So rooibos. Chai rooibos tea. Let's see how much this costs. This is only in the premium box, and this is $16. Wow, there's still like several things in here. So up next is the Ursa Major Go Easy Daily Shampoo made with balsam and macadamia. Oh, interesting. It says easy does it, get soft, healthy, easy to manage hair with our delightfully nourishing daily shampoo. Works great for all hair types. Use solo or pair with your favorite conditioner. Sulfate free, of course. Wow, this box is really well coordinated so far. So we have the tea set as well as tea, and now we have a shampoo and a hair turban. We can like use all these together. Cool. So this comes in the premium box as well. So that makes sense. So the 4 items that only come in the premium box are very well coordinated. So the tea set, the shampoo, and the hair turban. And this shampoo is $26. Wow, that's a lot for a shampoo. I'm excited to try it out. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It smells very like fresh. It says it's not made with any fragrance. But it still smells good, so that's good. Nice. The next item is by Peat Brothers Olive Oil. This is the Aloe Moisturizing Bath Bar. It says absolutely no palm, made with 100% olive oil. And our soaps are made from combining an alkali and a mixture of natural vegetable oils. The vegetable oil mixed in this soap contains 100% olive oil. So this is a soap, a body soap for the shower. So this also kind of goes with like, you know, the other stuff, the shampoo and stuff, so you can shower items. So this is $6 and comes in all of the boxes. There's little holes here and I'm smelling it. So this is what it looks like. So it just looks like a bar of soap and it smells like olive oil, which would make sense. It's made from 100% olive oil. What is this? This is Tech Candy Better Off Thread Embroidered Wireless Speaker. Cool. Talk and hear tunes without a tether. So this is like a wireless speaker. Embroidered. That's so cool. So that's the actual speaker part. It says embroidered wireless speaker, metal carabiner attachment. I can never say that word. USB charging cord, 2 surface gripping adhesive non-slip pads. That's so cool. I've never seen a speaker that was embroidered before, so that's unique. I feel like you get such unique items in this box. One of the many reasons why I love it. So this embroidered wireless speaker by Tech Candy is $36. Wow, nice. I wonder if I could like put this in my bathroom and use it that way. That would be a good way to use it. There's like a little thing on the top, you can hang it. So nice, this is fun. And this is definitely something if I don't get use out of, I can totally gift it. This would be a great gift idea. So next up is Spa Savvy Hydroflex Moisturizing Gloves and Socks. See the gloves in there? It says, the Spa Savvy Moisturizing Gloves and Socks have Hydroflex technology which allows them to stretch for a perfect fit every time to fit small and large hands and feet. The Spa Savvy Hydroflex gloves and socks are very soft, smooth, breathable, and lightweight. The gloves and socks lock in moisture and the extra protective layer helps to retain applied moisturizer. So you apply your favorite essential oil or lotion and wear them for 30 minutes and this will lock in moisture, making your hands and feet feel soft and supple. For deeper hydration and repair, wear overnight for up to 8 hours. Oh, I'll try this out tonight. This is really interesting. I've never tried this before. So, oh, you can feel it in here. It feels just like regular cloth. So it says flexibility, comfortability, and breathability. And these are in all the boxes. The last item, the speaker's in all the boxes too. I don't think I said that. And this is $12.99. And last but not least, we have our essential oils. So every single month we get 2 essential oils from Bombay Cedar, and they come in this cute drawstring bag. And this comes in all of the boxes, and I love getting these oils. I've really gotten into essential oils, so it's always fun to see what they send. So the first one in here, I definitely don't have this in my collection. This is Chinese parsley coriander. This has a retail value of $14. And it says this oil is extracted from the seeds of cilantro, which is an annual herb said to be native to Europe, Northern Africa, and Western Asia. It's beneficial in treating spasms and much more. So I wonder if you're supposed to like use this more as a topical one, no, it says add a few drops to an aroma diffuser. And in here as well, it comes with like little cards about each of the oils, and it's really nice because it tells you about the benefits, also gives you some precautions, and also tells you what it blends with, which is my favorite part. I like to know. So it says this blends well with bergamot, cinnamon, grapefruit, ginger, neroli, lemon, lime, and orange. I need to smell this. Does it smell like the actual like herb or spice that you use with cooking? It does. This is definitely one you want to like mix with. It doesn't smell like bad. It smells very earthy. It smells like this, like, you know, exactly what it is. So I'm definitely going to blend this when I use it. And again, this benefits for this says treats spasms, eliminates gas, reduces pain, tones stomach. Oh, I need some toning. Improves digestion and inhibits fungal infections. Okay. And the next one in here, I'm excited about this one even more so. This is frankincense. This is immunity boosting frankincense. And this one has a retail value of $16. And again, we have a little card here that talks about it. So benefits, boost immune system, improves oral health, astringent property, regulates menstruation. It actually goes on and on. I won't read all of it. And it tells you, it says there's no known adverse effects. It blends well with lime, lemon, orange, cypress, benzoin, bergamot, lavender, pine, sandalwood. I like frankincense. Nice. So you guys, this is another good box. I love Bombay Cedar because we get like such interesting things that you don't really get in other boxes. So every month, like I said, we do get our 2 essential oils. They're always different from past boxes, which is great. And I'm trying to think, what is my favorite that I got? I think I really just love the most is this. This is just so cute, and I know I will get use out of it. And I'm so happy they gave us some tea, and I've never like thought of tea to improve my skin, so that's interesting. I'm also like intrigued to try these out to see if it really helps. I mean, it makes sense, like really lock in moisture, like, so we'll see how that is. But yeah, overall I like everything. I think this box is great. So again, I'll leave down below the link to Bombay Cedar, promo code, the pricing information, giveaway, all of that, what I'm wearing on my face, social media, it's always in the description box. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're having a great weekend. I will see you in my next video. Bye.